Woko sika no and we said the be the besi aya sabia. Any Woraworaman government hospital. Aban hu say Woraworaman AC aya sabia san. Aban so de no be hye. Send your doctor aka no. Woraworaman de ye sunsun a wodi gyaye no. Say typhoid wo ho say ni ho yenmu ye ho hwe dada na da roma ye nhwe ma emesane ye mpese ye bete no kakora wo nensa bebre na waka yate ya shop na me kan yegu so ye see you has ya ho oden ene ye de si dan no yes that you need modern x-ray yeah the according and you see x-ray modern x-ray building with facilities and Woraworaman dear sunsumu a ewo kurom what the giant I to send a TZ to be nkase na fufuo won't be cassie in the old boy. So, what you say, Moon? Yan an animal say self-help project. Your boy, into someone working now. Ya show. Ya da one man say, Yane director. Version ye din Kitano, the BBA, your tongue craft, and one so I better have a son and son. Ye better. Asitena ye no obetena adabra no so hospital no wa asase kese enya fancy ye ko pass ase be ko ada roma minister kasa no o se yare no free ho a age Woraworaman government hospital free ha ko ye chi ha nyina age se Woraworaman government hospital se ye ni reservoir ye tumi di su ogumu se pipe kura ko off a o ma treat amaye say ye pamo typhoid we there esi enya reservoir ye benya treated water say pipe no kura wotum na nsuo reservoir no a hospital no woni problem na say doctor for no ma bre wo ho pa eno na ma ye hene na konti hene I say obetu ball hose say in case say pipe no kura ye tumu a na wo ma kogu sa ball hose dia ye who politics war maternity block. Maternity block, Woraworaman baba akupe ne besi you. Dr. Kumi at Mota typhoid clinic. Almost single-handedly. We are not in a mammy dean at so. Yen young woman on it. Yes, you said there be wastewater and so tar and showing you are saying Kogu quack. Yen young man, what the politics I can see me. Abesua maternity block. So no bamwa and one what they see woman near to prevent high cost of water bills. Enti a doctor for Woraworaman ya boy a kashire dada. Akasa mo be boaye na ya ma no so ya da mo ase papa pa nya mi shira mo.
Just to make sure that I'm here for this occasion. To the Queen Mom, let me say this, Mom. It's been approved immediately for the canteen. Wow. Hey. Let me add that we will be more than government cannot do it all. And we will need the people to support it. And we will be more than happy if there is any infrastructure or any kind of project that the people want to lead, they do it. You come, you organize yourself, you do it. And if, for instance, if there is a ward bill and we have to come together and even name the ward after the person, we will do so. So the person becomes immortal. When you walk there, you have this ward, Anna's ward, Mother's ward, and everybody will be happy. They will know they will help maintain it, they will help do everything. When people talk of government, I always ask, who is government? We are all government. You know? So if you don't support government, it means you are not supporting your own self. It doesn't matter the party you belong to. or the region you come from, or the language you talk. You know, every small boy, every child we help save, that can be the next minister, the next president, or the farmer to put food on our table, or the carpenter to roof our houses. So we need to take every child in Ghana very serious, and we need to take each one of us very serious, and we need to come together and forget of any politics. We are not as divided as we seem to be. And I do believe that when we come together, we can do great things for our people, for our homes. Now, the next thing is to explain to you the test that is being done here. From what I saw today, from the presentation and from the outcome of what the advanced team explained, yes, there is typhoid in the region. Yes, there is typhoid. But yes, that typhoid has not been confirmed with the international standard test that is needed, because you don't have it. So all of us, including me, and I'll cite an example. Before, he is the chief laboratories. When he is in laboratories. So before he left Accra, he tested himself. He was negative. Immediately he got here and he tested himself with the test you used. He was positive. Which then means that we are having a lot of false positives. Now the test to actually confirm, when you do the test, you have to take it to the laboratory and culture it, leave it for some few days to see if the thing will grow or will not grow. But that is not what we are doing. Again, the test we are doing, when you test the person, you have to wait for about 25 minutes. But here, in 2 minutes, they tell you that. And now, it's so endemic to that when the patients come, they even tell the doctor, my typhoid has come back again. So if you give that patient any medicine, which is not typhoid medicine, he won't agree. So it is some of the things that are happening. Now I'll also say that we've captured in our data that there have been 2 deaths. One 84-year-old lady who came, but realistically, it's not typhoid. Because if you test her, she has typhoid, but with the reason why she came there had nothing to do with typhoid, with the way she presented. And another patient, 54 years old, the same. Because the truth is that the people in this community, in the Oti region, especially in the endemic places, anytime you test them for typhoid, you will get positive using the test that they are using. But if you use the international standard test, which I repeat again, is not available commonly. Besides Woraworaman Hospital, it's the only place they can do it. The other hospitals, they cannot do it. So they have to bring the samples to Woraworaman Hospital. So the gentleman will stay here 3 months with you in Woraworaman Hospital, so that all the samples from the different places will be brought there and they will be tested, so that we are sure when we say these people have typhoid, it's typhoid. The second reason why I say there is no cause for alarm is the following. Since we've been here, we don't have anyone admitted because of typhoid. Since we've been here, we don't have any death out of typhoid. So why the alarm? Well, if it's everywhere, then our hospital should be full. And I explained to people that the complications of typhoid is that you will get stomach perforation, your stomach will rupture to burst. And then you need surgeons to operate, and then you need ICU, intensive care unit, for the people to be there. But since we've come, there's no one in ICU, there's no one operated on, which means that if the whole situation, the whole population is typhoid affected, we should have had a lot of deaths and a lot of people under.
And everything come into your hand. No, meeting us as always. Oh, Oti Region. Doctors need PAs in our no, so Rara Hospital, never is a regional hospital. Regional hospital in there. Regional hospital, I didn't, and that's also the mercy.